Hey, Tej here. Today we are taking a look at technical analysis for MINA. We'll go over some major levels of support and resistance and wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory. So let's get going. First, I'll share a couple of interesting levels to me at least. Let's start with the brown boxes here. Again, they are just regular support and resistance levels where the price has had some previous action before. High time frame setups or levels, let's take a look at those first. So this is basically the volume profile for the whole history of this coin. We saw that when pulling a Fibonacci retracement from the all-time highs to the all-time lows of July 2021. We got back to the golden pocket where we had our resistance, and after that point we've been just dwindling down. We hit some kind of double top here. We'll look into Elliott Wave in a bit to see what this is possibly with the wave analysis. But again, double top, and then after that point we have been correcting downwards. Let's pull this a bit more right, there we go. So that's basically it for the higher time frame. We can see multiple volume bumps here. The point of control can be moving a bit into this support and resistance area. If we visit again, is so close to the current point of control that this could be moving. But again, if the price is coming up here, there is most probably going to be some kind of action resistance level here. On more medium term time frame, checking out volume profile, we can see some interesting areas again. Just Fibonacci retracement from the highs to current lows here. We can see golden pocket around $3.80 area. Another nice volume node here around this 0.5 Fibonacci area. This is basically almost the same as we had on the higher time frame, so let's focus on this first here. Point of control again 38.2 with the point of control and a monthly here. So this is definitely a major level of resistance that we're going to have to deal with at some point if the price is coming higher. Lower time frame, again point of control basically here at the monthly. There's also a range value area high around this support and resistance area, giving even more confluence around this $2.70 area. Now below us or just above us, the current price we're having right now, we have the range value area low that is acting as a resistance. If we are able to reclaim that level and probably back test it, I could be seeing higher levels. If it still continues to be a resistance level, then we could be just testing this weekly established before here around the 14th of March, and after that again the monthly around $1.53. But these are the three targets that I'm going to be looking forward to the most, where we are going to expect most resistance. Now, bullish case with Elliott Waves, I'm seeing this as a possible wave 1 structure and currently making some kind of wave 2. Now, is the wave 2 done here? It is possible. We have seen a three-way move with an ABC with a really extended C already, coming right down to the 2.618 exactly, and after that point we could be looking at this as a five-way structure. Now on logarithmic scale, the third looks the smallest. On arithmetic scale, it is not the smallest. So when comparing these prices, I guess you could be saying that wave 3 again is not the smallest, and on logarithmic you could see that it is smaller than wave 1, but again is due to the let's see, how can I move this? There we go. So again, it's not percentage based or logarithmic based, the true actual price. So just a note if someone is wondering that. Now wave 2 is really extended time wise as well already. We've gone above the 2.618 already. I wouldn't be expecting anything lower or more time wise than this 4.236 here that we've already gone to, or almost gone to. So that is one reason why I like this wave 2 already ending here. Now we came down through the golden pocket here. We visited it basically once and just rolled over again for the last leg, for this structure at least. So it didn't look too thrilling. Now currently we've already done this possible 5-way structure here into one of minute, and then we had a good looking zigzag coming down to the 1-to-1 extension for the C wave. Really pretty structure here. Now the bull scenario is pretty simple. If we break the lows here of 15th of March, this scenario is invalidated and we have to be looking at something else. There's also a possibility of this structure being just an ABC, but still the whole idea is that we're looking upwards. Again, the retracements for the wave 2 is not 85% or 90%, so we're not going to be looking this as a flat, but instead a zigzag. The targets are really high, 1.618 here. Maybe I should add the 1-to-1 extension for the 1-to-1 of the C wave, for the A wave, or of the A wave, I guess I should say. So again, however this plays out, we should be looking at higher structures if we are building this bull structure or bull scenario. Bearish scenario, we have to be looking at this as well, is saying that we have ended something here as a ABC, or it could be some kind of start. It is really hard to say what this structure is part of and with what this is about of as well. So it could be that we are looking into some kind of ABC correction here. Again, we can establish this ABC that we had on the bullish count as well for a nice looking structure here in the middle. This would be giving us an A wave. Now instead of being 5 waves for a zigzag, we would be looking for a 3 waves. So meaning that this is either a flat pattern or a complex pattern with WXY. So here we would be looking for at least 90% retracement here for the B wave. If we don't get up there and start heading lower down and we are actually pulling up here, we are looking at a WXY pattern. Is it possible for this to be a structure on its own, saying that this would be W, X and Y? It is possible, but to me it is a bit unlikely because this structure here looked kind of bullish and the time it took was really short. Let's take a look at some volume here as well. We can see volume has increased here for the in favor of bulls, I guess, and now just collapsing down again for possibly the correction for the wave 2. Now this would indicate again that we would be looking for some kind of higher wave, even in this bearish scenario. On one day, MACD hasn't crossed the signal line here yet, but it looks to be the case that I could be doing that soon. On this higher, on this rise up here for the A wave or the 1 wave, we also saw a nice looking histogram for the MACD as well. Now on the daily again, it is hard to say that this is actually a 5-way structure just because of the RSI is not super clear on it. Let's go back here. So just by looking at RSI, highest peak would be here, meaning it could be the third wave. Now in that case we would have to be calling this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or something to have an extended fifth wave here, and this would be 1, 2, 3. But in any case it could be looking like some kind of bullish pattern. So that is my main, that's bullish. Still we got a nice invalidation really close to us. I took a short, not a short, a long here yesterday on MINA when I saw this possibility, not risking too much, and as the invalidation is really close, even with small position you can get a nice risk to reward ratio here. But yeah, I think that's all I want to share about MINA today. If you have another coin you would like me to analyze or have an update for, let me know down in the comments below. For now, I thank you for watching and hopefully see you back on the channel soon. Bye bye.